Nandita. I am artist and art teacher from our confluence and Sarbharatiya Sangeet Porishad. Today we are here for attending our third European convocation and fifth art exhibition in Europe. International art exhibition is going on. Here all the arts are here, and today we are our first program is our workshop. So students and teachers are here. They are participating in art workshop and they are making their own art. So it started whole area. Can I show you? This is one of our student. Trishit, what are you making?
Rotten vegetables.
Rotten things. Hi. What are you making? Oh, it's a parrot. Very nice. Oh, hi.
Hi.
What are you making?
We're just
Portraits.
Oh, that's own portrait? Self-portrait?
No,
Yes,
we're
Sarah.
we're just looking at
Yeah, it's a nice. What do you feel here? Good?
Yeah.
Fine?
I'm actually drawing demons.
Yeah, that's nice.
demons.
What are you making, Aki?
I'm making a swan.
Nice. Pencil sketching. Wow, good. Our teacher, Urvi. Urvi, what do you feel today?
I'm feeling so good. My parents are here, my students are here, and everybody is doing so good. Thank you so much. We are very happy that we have a very nice sunny day, but it is predicted to be snowfall today. It's going to be -8 temperature. But that is okay, as we are a creative person here and we all love art and creativity. So now we are here, the art workshop is going on. He is a boy with lot of thoughts, and he loves to express his thought through his art, and he loves science as well, right? So what are you drawing? Can you explain us?
Well, I'm drawing the Earth where the moon got too close, so it just made it turn into a ring.
Oh, that's very innovative. And now we will again enter to the hall, and we will have some little bit of talk with our volunteers.
The experience is great. I am visiting the convocation for the last 3 years, and it has been extremely well organized. A lot of children come over, and it's really a program for the children, but also the cultural program and everything which happens with it is really great. So you all are doing a great job, and it's really nice to see it all coming together.
Without their support, we cannot do it. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes.
Now we will go to Nilanjanda. So Nilanjanda, we would love to have some words from you.
For what? I'm in.
You can share the little bit of journey of
convocation, and I'm helping everybody, everywhere, whichever way. I think we are known here. We two persons are very much known. Me and my wife. My wife is the best person to tell you. So.
Okay, thank you, Nilanjanda.
Yeah, we started in 2018. 2018 we started, then first convocation we did on 2023 at Eindhoven. Then second was early 25 January in Belgium. Now 26th third convocation in Netherlands again. Journey was nice because of you, all of you. You are the
Our secretary.
Oh, hi.
কিছু
We
বলো?
would love to have some words from you about the second day of third European convocation.
The first day smooth and it's chilly outside. As
It's
the
going to be
commentators-
-9 and 5 centimeters snow. So it is predicted. So let's see.
The first day was very smooth. We are all looking forward for second day today, and the first session is a seminar. We are arranging that one. Let's see. We'll come live most probably. So let's hope for the best. Thank you.
Thank you.
Make this convocation feels less like a ceremony and more like a celebration, almost a festival. Around us, you will find stalls showcasing merchandise, flavors from different Indian provinces, and glimpses of India's cultural diversity. This integration of food, art, music, and community is intentional. We hope you enjoy it because culture should always invite participation, not just observation.
संगीत संस्कृति परिषद सर्व भारतीय संगीत संस्कृति परिषद सर्व भारतीय संगीत संस्कृति परिषद सर्व भारतीय संगीत संस्कृति परिषद dancing to the flow 50 years old with the students living in Europe. We learn music, dance, we learn painting arts with the students living in Europe. Sarva Bharatiya Sangeet Sanskriti Parishad Sarva Bharatiya Sangeet Sanskriti Parishad we learn mother tongue Sanskriti Parishad Sarva Bharatiya Sangeet
সব জ্যান্ত তুই আন্ত। দাদা গো, দেখছি ভেবে অনেক দূর, এই দুনিয়ায় সকল ভালো, আসল ভালো, নকল ভালো, সস্তা ভালো, দামিও ভালো, তুমিও ভালো, আমিও ভালো।
India did not just value art and spirituality, it valued practical wisdom. Now let's talk about art and the architecture. Temples like Konark, Khajuraho, Brihadeshwar were.
We will present you now a small Bharatanatyam performance from our dance school. And we start with two wonderful girls who will dance a dance of the beginning for you. It is Pushpanjali. Pushpa means flower. Anjali means offering. And they will offer the flowers to Lord Shivanataraja, the Lord of the dance. This dance is performed in Raga Nattai and Aditala, and it is performed by Ariana Bansali and Niraya Devani. Give them a very big hand because this is their first Pushpanjali ever. Now next we have two beautiful young ladies who will present you a dance on Saraswati. Saraswati is the goddess of knowledge. So this is so beautiful to see this dance today when we're all together here with so many art schools and so many art teachers and so many students of art. I think this dance is such a beautiful tribute to that.
Language teaches us how to speak with kindness and how to love with sincerity. Alongside this, the world around us becomes vibrant and colorful with the arrival of spring. February truly embodies all of this joy.
Here is Mr. Ditiman Bhattacharya. So this year he is helping us with digital support,
The backgrounds.
the backgrounds, and yes,
Audio,
we,
video.
we would love to
Projection.
have some words
Yeah,
from
audio,
you,
video
please.
projections and all others. Yeah, it was a good experience altogether and nicely experienced. Indeed, it truly represents the word confluence. It's a mix between culture, different kind of representation, what we are seeing from the background with Indian mindset as well as different culture, bringing that Sarvabharatiya thing as well as merging with what Europe can bring all together. So we could see a really good amalgamation of both of them. So it's always good to be part of this program and associated with this journey. Thank you and best wishes and best of luck.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Creating art is not only creating art, it's also making them enhance their knowledge and also make them more interested in the topic, or maybe while creating art they can find something more interesting so that they will find their another passion as well. Suppose they are creating painting, maybe by following the research they will find something, they can be an architect in future.
So let's understand what is ancient art. So we have a vast heritage about this art and culture we have, and they come in a very much in a different formats. If you look at the paintings, then we have so many different art forms coming from Madhubani, Varli, and whatnot. If you talk about dance, then we have Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathak, and whatnot. If we talk about music, we have so many different ragas. We may not be, I don't know, but then maybe the music lovers or the music enthusiasts would know about it.
विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय